Hi everyone! So sa ngayon tignan natin kung ano ang mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. I'm kinda like sensing evil karmic, so we have the friend zone in either way. We also have this one. I'm sensing more on cycles. We also got this here. So, gusto paalala ng Panginoon na kailangan kang mag-let go kasi paulit-ulit yung pangyayari sa iyong buhay with regards to a person na parang friend zone ka or parang hindi stable yung connection, nag-stay ka pa rin paulit-ulit, okay? At parang na-stuck ka na and lagi niyang hina-hurt yung iyong feelings, honestly speaking. So na-sense ko talaga guys, evil karmic. So whoever that you're dealing with, hindi siya mabuting tao guys. At hindi mag-work yung connection kasi yung nga patuloy yung kanyang ginagawang kalokohan with regards sa'yo. So you could be somebody na you're really trying the best that you can to control the situation or even teach this person to be good and so or magstay sa connection. Pero parang kahit anong gawin mo, may ginagawa siyang kalokohan behind the scenes or patuloy pa rin yung paggawa niya ng mali sa'yo. We also have the create your own happiness here. We also got this one. Oh, this is actually kind of like sad. Yung na-sense ko to kasi it's about broken connections, okay? So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na hindi actually maganda for you na patuloy kang broken-hearted with regards to this person kasi with the create your own happiness being in reverse, ibig sabihin lang nun na ikaw yung nahihirapan kasi hindi ikaw yung nagiging masaya and by you trying to work out this connection, parang hindi siya nagka-create ng iyong happiness and joy. Parang while you are there, you are stuck, you're always crying over this person's mistakes and so on. So you also have the calm here. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na you need some time to think things or kailangan mo actually magkaroon ng space at magkaroon ng realization kasi nalulungkot ang Diyos na you're staying for somebody na unstable for you. Anytime soon, this person might leave you, honestly. So might as well guys na wag kayo masyadong mag-push sa something na unstable kasi para siyang nakabuild sa unstable ground na anytime soon that will definitely change, okay? So I think that you deserve somebody na loyal. You deserve someone na ipapahalaga niya yung connection kasi nakakapagod din na ikaw lagi yung nag-e-effort. I think that what you must do here is that parang hayaan mo siya mag-effort sa'yo, wag ikaw yung push ng push with regards to relationship. Kasi kung talagang mahal ka niya, then that person is to put an effort or dapat hindi ka niya pinapaiyak. Kasi remember, if this is a love relationship, then there should be love at hindi siya stressful, honestly. And remember that a healthy connection is a happy connection and not something that's very stressful. If you're aware that you're in a karmic relationship, mind as well, you remember na yung karmic connections, hindi siya meant na mag-last kasi yun nga, nahihirapan yung tao na mabuti sa connection na yun. So anyway, that's it with regards to your reading, to your message. So remember to stay calm at sana pag-isipan mo with regards to your connection. Anyway, that's it and God bless all of you.